In April, we had you on my show here, and you told our viewers not to chase physical at the highs, but buy dirt cheap miners. I mean, the miners have, some of them at least, have kind of been ripping. Has the easy money already been made, or are we still early in the cycle?
The easiest money has been made. When I was on in April, I had just come out with a special report. You can get it on my website at Europac.com, the best way to buy gold. And I did that because, gold was over $3,000 an ounce. Yet the gold stocks were where they were when it was $2,000 an ounce. And so in my mind, why go pay $3,000 an ounce for gold when I can buy gold in the ground that's still valued at less than $2,000? In fact, way less than that. I thought that if you looked at what you were paying to buy these gold mining companies, that gold still in the ground had never been so cheap relative to gold above ground. So it wasn't that I didn't think gold was going to keep going up. I just thought, why buy it when they're giving away these gold mining stocks and they're so cheap, and the downside I thought was so minimal? It made a lot of sense. And now I think year to date, gold's up almost 40%, but gold stocks have more than doubled. So so people have made a lot more money. Starting in April, because even the first quarter, the gold stocks didn't even move. It started in Q2. And the whole doubling was basically in the last maybe 6 months. Didn't even take a whole year to double. I don't even think gold stocks have caught up to $3,000 gold yet. And we could easily be at $4,000 by the end of the year. I'm not telling people to stop buying physical gold and silver now, because it's not that obvious, but at that moment in time, to me, these mining stocks were so ridiculously cheap that I couldn't see putting any money into physical gold when you could just buy these miners. I just did not see the downside risk, and I thought there was huge upside potential.